Did they allow? I think you should see something.
Oh, can be excellent promotion.
Okay, we got it live here on YouTube.
YouTube.
For some reason, YouTube works.
Yeah.
You can share the link on YouTube.
With 50 subscribers? No, but
26 only.
Why I want to use?
He's Korean, maybe.
Why?
His face is Korean, that's
yeah.
why.
Oh, not Korean.
Maybe that's why. But yeah, she can. You say WhatsApp already? Check your what in the WhatsApp. Yeah,
Facebook.
YouTube link. YouTube link. You check your phone, the WhatsApp group. The YouTube link is there, so I think you can see it as well. Visitor mode. Boleh.
Oh, dalam group je.
Kita dalam group.
Oh, ni je.
So,
Ya, saya.
but you can see, right? You're able to see, though. He's able to see, though. You can see, right? You're able to see, though. He's able to see, though.
But the video.
Because it's from streaming from my phone. It's my phone. It's streaming from my phone. The line quality and everything is based on my phone. SIM card. So there'll be some lag. Yep. Yeah, it's from the phone lah. So let's say you nak tunjuk ke semua. Boleh lah, you can imagine how the situation will be lah. Using the phone, the comfort play, yeah.
Start streaming and then you get the streaming.
Oh, you live streaming. Wait, live streaming. Oh, you get live streaming.
It only works for
Laptop basically.
laptop.
Oh, laptop. Oh.
Yep. So you can imagine lah. Kalau katalah right now tuan, maybe you share this code, you buat inspection, you boleh beritahu lah, okay. So ni lampu lah. Seems to be okay lah.
Laptop. Oh.
I also don't have 50. I also don't have 50 subscribers.
Oh.
I got 20 only.
More than me lah, that's for sure. Yeah. Then you can also use assisted diving untuk menolong lah, buat kerja lah. So let's say you just want it to go left, then you boleh lah. Tengok, I don't have viewing lah, so it's senang lah. Parallel. Or you nak dia pergi right, pun boleh lah. So yang ni is called assisted diving. If let's say you're not very familiar with control, you want it to do automated, pun boleh lah.
Kalau nak ke
Deeper, then boleh lah.
ada automatik kan?
Ya. Ya, ada arch left and arch right lah. Kalau arch left, then like that lah. Kalau roll, macam tu lah. Kalau anda nak go dive deeper, then you just move this one lah. Masuk deeper lah. So it also support depth lock lah. Depth lock maksudnya, let's say you pergi depan, belakang, it will always try to maintain that depth lah.
Dah pernah try dekat laut?
Yang ni we didn't try in laut because it's not meant for laut punya operasi lah. More for lake, calm waters and all that lah. Kalau nak laut, usually is using the higher level models lah.
Our plan is to use this
Kalau laut,
island.
Island boleh. Island near the shore, you know.
Ini si lah.
In the sea, can be used as long as it's not too deep. These are not for extreme deep water operation.
Yeah, 100 meter.
100 meter max only this one, based on the cable lah. Just
Laut.
If it
dia boleh pergi laut. It's just that depending on which part of the laut you go, especially the deeper you are, if the speed of the laut underwater is higher than expected, then this may be pushing backwards a bit lah.
Ada habis.
Um,
Jangan tak boleh selam.
dia boleh selam. It's just a matter of whether it can go against the current.
Yang Dovi tak boleh.
Huh?
Dovi tu, chasing Dovi.
Huh?
Yang tak boleh selam.
Chasing Novi tak boleh selam.
Kat laut.
Yalah, normal lah. Because most of the chasing dory semua yang all these ROV for lay slide skills are not designed for extreme deep water operation. Kalau you nak ROV meant for deep sea operation, this one is not for it. Yang ni pun bukan.
Itu laut. Ego.
Upskate pun around ego.
Tapi Ego 20k.
Dia more than that actually, because
More than that.
the knot resistance for each unit, this one max knot is up to 3 knots only. It can resist has a knot resistance of at least 1 or 2 only. You cannot go, even for higher level units, the knot speed resistant, it can go higher, but not to the level where it's designed for deep sea operation.
Kita kan nak pergi tipsy sangat lah.
Maximum 10 meter je tu lah.
Kalau maximum 10 meters, if the water is not so hard, the knot is not so strong, can.
Gambar Dovi tu kan.
Because like Petronas semua, dia punya operasi, when they ask for it, is memang we tak boleh buat, is because that one is extreme deep sea operation.
Rig kan, on rig kan tu.
Bukan saja oil rig, they also do in laut, tapi their laut punya operation is go all the way deep, more than 300 meters there.
Okay, lagi.
So the ROV yang they guna is not this size really.
Okay lah, tak boleh.
It's the super big one, like the size of a car.
Ya, 100 ni lah.
More than that really. It's the size of a car.
Bilion lah.
Ha? Apa kau?
ROV yang lagi besar, meant for deep sea operation, tak is.
Macam ni lah, macam ni lah.
Kalau you nampak macam tu National Geographic Channel yang do like a very box shape kind of thing and it's very big, ada multiple wire connection, ada banyak propeller, that is meant for deep sea punya operation.
Kita ni tak pergi tipsy lah sebab
Kalau it's just like surface ke all, for lake, for lake and all still can do, tapi if let's say you go to laut, kena berhati sikit lah. Because the one that so far our customer who use this, not really using for deep sea operation lah. They mostly use
sebenarnya
for,
tak panggil lah tipsy. Kita panggil laut lagi.
yeah.
Tapi it's not deep sea.
They use it near the shore or inside what we call tank inspection. They masuk ni dalam tangki, then they go and inspect the tangki, ada yang guna. Other than that, they also use for under the ship kind of inspection or under the bridge inspection sekarang lah. They guna lah. For, I'm not sure your application, but if let's say it's really nak masuk the laut, you need, I cannot suggest this unit lah. I would suggest getting the more high level units.
Pergi Sempurna tak?
Sempurna ya Sabah side, right?
Kan laut dia cetek. Tapi consider laut lah. It's not pantai.
Okay. So it's very calm, right? The water's there.
Dia pasal laut
Yeah,
dia
if-
tak calm lah kan.
Yeah, because if the water is calm, no issue. But if let's say the calm is rough, maybe the speed picks up to 2 knots. Still can go consume battery faster, yes, but it still can withstand lah. But let's say the loud you put, it goes up to 4 or 5 knots above. Your ROV, you'll probably be going at full power lah. May not be able to maintain position lah. It may be thrown away with the current together.
Okay, itu yang pertama last streaming. Second issue yang kita nak cuba solve adalah kalau handphone ni kita ada wifi connected. It means that the internet will be only based on the wifi internet, not the mobile.
Wi-Fi.
for
Connected to the wifi already, giving you access to the internet, but traditionally to the lunch we controlling other things.
using the same phone, is it?
Oh, okay. So that means the phone got no internet connection. You want to connect Wi-Fi to the router. You cannot connect to this directly lah.
Bukan. This phone connect to the wifi. Not sebab sekarang you kata he's connected by wifi. That's why I tell you boleh Bluetooth tak. Is it possible this phone connected to the wifi to get the internet access?
Oh, okay. So you know this one Bluetooth connect to the controller, and this one, at the current stage, no, it doesn't support that. Usually you have to make sure your device has a SIM card. Must have be able to get its own internet or like that lah. Another option I can suggest, if let's say you bring laptop to the field, you have a LAN cable, you can connect the LAN cable to the laptop, use the Wi-Fi function on the laptop to connect to the RC. You can also then live stream, so it will solve the issue of if let's say you need to connect to something else lah. That's the other way lah.
Jadi
Kalau phone memang kena guna phone with inbuilt SIM with a SIM card given to it lah.
masa tu tak phone yang boleh buat dual Wi-Fi connection ke?
Ada. There are some phone that supports dual
This
Wi-Fi.
one's connect with Wi-Fi 2.4.
Yeah, it says connect 2.4 punya Wi-Fi.
2.4.
I think 2.4 if I'm not mistaken. It's just a hotspot only they can connect. Kalau the phone tu kalau ada phone that can support connection to two Wi-Fi, then it's possible lah. Or dual connection. Tapi at the moment for live streaming and all, the phone must still be connected to this device lah. This device itself don't support any SIM card or anything lah.
Tak ada yang boleh connect
Chip
terus.
is good.
Send
Cannot connect to the cable.
There is, yang ni is meant to connect to a HDMI box.
HDMI.
HDMI box is basically an accessory. If kalau let's say from controller screen, you want to project what this thing is seeing into a big screen ke and all that. So you connect this to a HDMI box, then the HDMI will connect to internet ke or anything lah. That's the other option lah.
Oh, dia Wi-Fi sini.
Yeah. So this controller is basically just a hotspot lah. It's just you can think of it as just a control station lah. So how you want to Yep.
sebab dia kan dia 80 so dia makan direct
Wi-Fi dia is a Wi-Fi lah. Sini is a Wi-Fi lah.
Yeah, it's a hotspot lah.
tengok ada tak nampak lawan makan direct
Wi-Fi dia.
sebab dia ada wifi tu bukan connection to internet.
The Fifish, you see a control there. Fifish.
So Wi-Fi, Fifish.
Yeah, there.
Fifish.
Fifish, that's the
Wi-Fi.
so it's a Wi-Fi hotspot on it.
Wi-Fi dia.
Ada kita batu lain yang ada connect ke what dia interface lain yang ada untuk
To include SIM card lah and the charger port lah.
okay. Ada orang tak ada apa lah.
No, this is just empty lah.
Satu ada ketinggalan kan. Sebab the current dekat laut tu kita akan bagi wifi. So not depends on the SIM card.
Oh,
So
tapi that one can use LAN cable kan? You can connect a router to it, to a LAN cable, cannot?
LAN cable macam maksudnya macam mana?
If you're having Wi-Fi in the ocean, that means there has to be a router or something lah, or Starlink lah.
Okay, so kalau LAN cable tu ada nak connect ke mana?
LAN cable, if let's say you use by phone, then it's by what you call it, laptop, then it's connect straight to the laptop. If you by phone, then a bit difficult lah, because unless there's no way lah.
Tak possible. I just thinking it out kan. Just because the router dia ada LAN cable kan. It provides the Wi-Fi and also it has LAN cable. That LAN cable masuk dalam phone using an adapter to USB ataupun Ethernet to USB Type-C. Kan ada such adapter. But I'm not sure that you can provide that or not.
Like dongles.
Macam ni lah.
Oh, okay, like a USB-C to adapt internet network adapter. We've never actually tried that before. Actually, it's quite because we have never actually had that kind of request. Most people use the thing or they use the laptop method only.
Considering nak pergi tu tak boleh nak bawa laptop. All you get is your handphone.
Why can't we bring a laptop? I'm just curious.
Sebab kita nak bagi ke orang pakai, kita tak boleh bagi laptop. Kita hanya boleh bagi this device.
How about if you got two phones?
Ada phone ke? Handphone mana?
One used for controller and then one for live streaming.
Okay, maksudnya connection dia macam mana?
So one phone is connected to controller.
This one to control dan tidak ada phone, how they connect? Mirror. Or what?
What do you mean? So you want to use another phone to view?
Yes, live stream.
Kalau
The camera coming from this one, right?
Oh.
The view. Then the second phone is for?
Because this phone connected Wi-Fi cannot connect Wi-Fi to use for live stream anymore, right? So use a secondary phone for live stream only.
The last stream.
This phone, the secondary phone won't be connected to here.
Okay, so just put the link,
Yeah.
but the source of the camera, the source of the live streaming.
The main is the
The source will be on second phone. You just have to start the stream and then key in the stream key, right?
That's right. That's right. Can we try it now?
Like it's the same thing. What? Let's say you start live stream on your phone.
Can you do it like this phone and this phone?
This phone like this phone.
I mean because now we are solving your phone connected to Wi-Fi, for example. This
Okay.
one, the Wi-Fi already consumed for the remote.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. So this phone connected to the Wi-Fi. How this what are we using the Facebook?
Yes, you can try use Facebook. But
Tak, Facebook tu macam mana? How they like interact with yang ada sebab dia punya source coming from this one.
yes, the source is coming from this one. So this one doesn't have Wi-Fi anymore, right? It's using the stream key.
yeah.
I consider this one does not have internet.
This phone have no mobile.
No mobile. So now it's
So
using
like
data.
like
Now it's
normal.
using data, right?
Yes. Now the
Oh.
phone has no data and then want to stream using a Wi-Fi.
I see. I get it now.
I think that one is really limited to the phone itself, whether it needs to have a
The
dual
phone can connect
Two Wi-Fi at the same
Wi-Fi.
time.
to Wi-Fi. Yeah. For now,
No, if the remote is using a Wi-Fi direct, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The remote also
it's also what is
Wi-Fi.
hotspot.
hotspot.
Yeah.
You need to consider, but chasing does want some power, which is this one connected by a cable. But this one pula cable dia buat by
Yeah, cable, but Wi-Fi connect.
Mungkin Eco ada some ports to be connected.
They use the same controller all the design.
Okay, all the design use the same controller.
All use the same controller because the idea is most of the I'm not sure how chasing works exactly, but understanding is you guys basically use that thing. It's just a display screen, right?
To remote to control the
It's just mostly on a display screen kind of thing, right? It acts as a display screen
Source to the live stream.
as a source as a live stream, lah. So in this case, they take a different approach, lah. Because I think for Fifish, it was designed more on assuming the person has a phone with a SIM card or anything, or using a laptop where they do the live streaming for whatever purpose.
Because tak semua tempat ada mobile coverage.
Mm.
Dia di pasal Starlink lah, for example. Starlink give you Wi-Fi also. In that case, still cannot use lah.
I think they provide the LAN cable connection as well.
yeah to a laptop is okay.
Yeah.
But now
But you need
mobile.
Mm,
The situation is like that.
Yeah. Understand.
understood, lah. To need to look,
Don't need to ask them. Need to ask Fifish.
need to ask thing, lah.
kita cari je lah equipment.
But can the chasing do it? That part there.
No. Because he connect with drone using a Wi-Fi. The phone is connect with drone using Wi-Fi. Not drone.
Oh, so that means it's either so that means if like you fish, it's RC to Wi-Fi, but for chasing it's
like a boy. Connect Wi-Fi with a boy.
yeah, it's the buoy system, right? They use the buoy system. The buoy is on top of the surface. You connect to that, right? So chasing you still connect to the buoy system either way also,
yes.
but it doesn't solve the problem of Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Apa pasal tu? Diorang patut design dia tu boleh pakai dua Wi-Fi. It's either
Dia Wi-Fi direct. Yeah.
yelah dua Wi-Fi, satu Wi-Fi direct ke satu Wi-Fi hotspot ke, tak kisahlah. But ada dua channel of Wi-Fi lah. Itu yang kita tak nak solve lagi.
Unless you find a phone with dual Wi-Fi channel lah. Don't know. Dual Wi-Fi.
Dia dah search dah actually. Dia cakap dua Wi-Fi yang ST2 tu kan. Tapi kemudian tak boleh pun.
Connect with 2.4 and then also then the 5G.
Kalau satu Wi-Fi, satu 5G. That can solve the problem.
Ada phone capability.
Yeah. I see online there are people that sell, but I'm not. We've never tried before with a phone, lah. I'm not sure if it supports that.
Take off the data here. You will disconnect the.
You disconnect the live stream, lah.
Can
Yeah.
you try?
You wanna try what?
We try off the data and then see the stream disconnect.
Of course,
Of course it will.